If you are in the hair industry, don't hesitate to invest in learning. Do not hesitate in leveling up with your craft. You get what I'm saying? I'm a wig maker. I'm pretty much self-taught. I've learned from watching, I've learned from doing, I've even learned from teaching. Now I want to level up. There are just some things you cannot learn on your own. You definitely want to invest in classes, hands-on learning as well. Now for me, I am a visual learner, so all I have to do is see something a few times and I typically can practice it on my own and get the hang of it. This is why online learning for me is it's chef kiss. I do it at my own pace, on my own time. I get it done by the due date. That's my cup of tea. And that's why I attend college online. When I first learned about Online Makeup Academy, it was more so pertaining makeup and FX makeup and, you know, MUA stuff, which is not really my cup of tea. But then I found out that they offer hairstyling courses. I had to jump on it. I'm gonna put it out there. I do not know how to style. I feel like I stick to the basics. And when it comes down to layering or updos and things like that, I have absolutely no knowledge as to how to achieve those hairstyles. I would see all of these nice updos and bridal hairstyles, hoping and wishing that I could style like that. Now I can, because I've enrolled in Online Makeup Academy for their pro hairstyling course. The course itself is super affordable. You can either pay the one-time fee of $849 or you can split it up into monthly payments. Come on, let's learn. Let's learn together. Come on. Because we're gonna get these styling techniques that these celebrity hairstylists have been doing, we're gonna get them down pat. Okay, I don't know about you, but I want to know how to layer. I want to know how to French braid. I want to learn how to do updos. I want to learn how to do all of that stuff just so that I could broaden my services for my clients. You trying to level up or not? I want my certificate, so I'm definitely going to complete this so that I can hang it up on my wall, have it laminated, or put up in a frame somewhere. Like, your girl is certified, okay? I'm going to be a certified hairstylist. Oh, I can't wait. So it's a fully online course. You have all these modules that you have to complete. Like, it's a real deal course. It's real deal learning. It's real deal work, classwork, assignments, homework. Turn it in, get it graded, all of that good stuff. I'm so excited. All right, so here I am. Even though it says Online Makeup Academy, I am actually doing the pro hairstyling course. So I'm gonna click here in my courses. So Nina is going to be my instructor. That's who I'll be submitting all of my assignments to. I'm gonna go ahead and do my welcome and all that good stuff. But let me show you guys my supplies that came in today. I got my supplies up in here. I think these are the foams that'll help me make the elegant updos and ponytails. Up in here, these are the clip-in hair extensions. Oh, I have a I have the Chi curling wand, and I love Chi products. I already have a wand from Chi, and I also have a hair dryer from Chi, so I am definitely happy to have this in my kit. Now, you know you gotta have a good flat iron, okay? I got my Hot Tools flat iron here. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff. And this is included with the cost of your entire course, so I love that. I have my practice mannequin head in this box. I have my thermal glove and the thermal mat for when I'm, you know, using my hot tools. And then I have a comb set. I'm ready. I got my supplies. I'm logged in. All right, wish me luck.
Hello everybody, today I'd like to introduce tools and products. Now let's begin with bobby pins, hair pins, metal pins. What do we need in our kit? We need different colors of bobby pins and hair pins. We need bigger bobby pins, smaller, different colors, bigger hair pins. We need metal pins. You might gonna purchase bracelets. It's gonna make your life easier. You can adjust everything to this bracelet. Waste your time while you're doing updos. You can use this bracelet and it's going to be very helpful. What else do we need? We need bigger 100 pins to minimum. You can purchase more. How do you...
Okay, so guys, pretty much after the introduction to the modules and everything, I got to work. The first thing that I worked on was some braiding techniques. This was one of my first times actually doing a complete French braid. I've never ever learned how to do a French braid, so I was super excited as far as like learning how to do this and how to actually incorporate some of the techniques that I learned in the first module into this hairstyle, y'all. I felt like super official once I completed this style. Another braid that I wanted to learn for a long time was the fishtail braid, and I'm so glad that this was a part of the modules component. As far as some of the hairstyles go, right here you guys see that I completed the fishtail braid on the mannequin head, and it looks super duper good. Now mind you guys, this is not my first this is not the first fishtail braid that I actually did on the mannequin head, but this is the best looking one, and this was after about 5 tries of me, just rewinding, pausing and like getting back into the actual technique and formation of my hands, as far as like, getting the tail down pack. And here I am doing one of the last modules, which included the use of hair extensions like clip-ins. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some behind the scenes footage of me actually completing the entire course. You guys, I'm super excited about sharing this with you guys because I feel like it is honestly one of the best things that I could have possibly done for myself, not only for my business, but just for myself, as far as like learning how to style my hair and incorporate some of the celebrity stylist secrets, in the industry into how I achieve a lot of my favorite looks. So I'm gonna leave a coupon code down below for you guys so that you guys can save if you guys decide to go ahead and step out on faith and get certified online. You'll get $100 off if you use the coupon code Dolce Mateo. That is literally a steal. You get lifetime access to the course. You get all of the tools and supplies provided. You get certified in hairstyling. Like, I am just so excited about completing this. I just wanted to share with you all my experience, what I love about this course. Absolutely everything. I love the fact that it's self-paced. Like, I'm almost done. I just wanted to come really quickly and talk about what I've been doing as of lately, just to kind of step up my hairstyling game in this hair industry. Here you guys can see that I'm about 5% shy of being 100% complete. Let me know what you all think about this. Would you ever take a hairstyling course online? Let me know down below.